We don't know if the Americans get involved, directly. Definitely, our hands will not be tied. We will do whatever necessary to protect our people and our interests. The Americans have been collaborating with the Israelis, although they have said it that they do not have anything to do with this conflict, which is not true. But if they decide to be engaged militarily, direct military involvement in this massacre, definitely we will do whatever necessary to protect ourselves. No, that's not true. I do not share your assessment. We are not reaching out to anybody. We are defending ourselves. Although we have always promoted diplomacy, but we cannot negotiate under the threats. We cannot negotiate while our people are under bombardment every day. Nobody can threaten Iranians. They should not dare to threaten Iran. We will do whatever necessary. Although there are hardships, no doubt about it, but Iranians are known to be very hard at defending their territory.
Did you ask to go to the White House? Has your government asked for access?
Not Christian, not at all. Okay. Not at all. We are not begging for anything. What we are saying is that stop this aggression, then we will have time to do whatever needed. As long as the aggression continues, as long as this brutality continues, we cannot think of engaging.